Yeah,
Why
do you get your spotlight on?
Jesus Christ.
Alright, the cars have to go, my man, for server.
Why?
Server, just the way this, you're gonna lag the
Greg,
server
you
up.
really know how
Cars
to
have to go, and if you want, I
crash
can help you
a train,
impound
don't
them.
you?
So
Oh
your
my
cars.
god! I can't even drive, I'm frozen!
Oh my god.
Alright. Like I said, either you do it or I'm gonna do it. So.
Wait, who impounded my vehicles? I stopped? Nah, that's bullshit.
You need to put them away.
Yo, stop fucking impounding my vehicles. Ask me first, bro.
I mean, have you seen the floppies? I'm gonna impound them.
You're paying me the money for every vehicle you impound. That's absolute bullshit. Stop impounding them then. I'll put them away. Stop fucking impounding them.
You're gonna put away all, what, 50 of them?
Yeah. Oh my fucking god, you're paying me for every car you put away. This is fucking bullshit.
You do not need these many cars out, my friend.
Oh, hey, Declan.
You're hurting the server pot.
Hey, whoever just said hey.
Yeah,
Is
I
that
didn't see
Declan?
it.
Oh god.
Here we go.
I'm just so popular. I'm sorry.
I saw Declan.
Stop, person.
Hey, that's enough gas, Lando. Oh,
You want to get fired?
No, you can't fire him until for another 33 minutes.
Right. I want you to pay me the money for them, because that's bullshit.
I'm paying them out. You
You're
said I'll
fine.
tip them out.
What?